Hey, everything is ready to go. Let's head in. Okay, let's go. What are you so hung up on? It's just that I feel bad on not being able to give Santino a clip of a coffee before heading off. The guy, that's the weakest of all the E-rank hunters. What ties attention this time? I hear it's around D-rank. While working for the Hunters Association, not once have I seen Sangchino come out of a dungeon without being injured. I guess that's why I'm being like this. Well, it's just a D-rank dungeon. What's the worst that could happen? Let's go. Jinwo, why are you so set on being a hunter? Keep on fighting this and you will get yourself into big trouble one of these days. I'm sorry, I'm not saying this because I want an apology. I'm just worried. At least this raid is almost over. What a relief. Looks like things are just about done here. Park, you have still got it. This is a piece of cake. Jinwoo, by any chance, is there a reason why you can't quit being a hunter? I'm doing this hunter stuff as hobby. I would probably die of boredom if it wasn't for this. I'll only be impressed if I tell her about my personal circumstances. Stick with this hobby of yours and you will be doing raids in the afterlife. Stop laughing. Your wounds will open up. Okay. When you defeat a beast, you are awarded an Essence Stone. Even a searing magic beast will get you an Essence Stone worth over 10 million won. Approx 8,000 US dollar. However, an E-rank hunter like Jinwo is far off from being able to fight a C-rank magic beast. I can't believe the only thing I get in exchange for hurting myself like this is an E-rank Essence Stone. This is a reward for putting my life on the line. At this rate, it will take forever. Everyone, come take a look at this. There is another entrance over there here. A double dungeon? So things like this really do exist. Everyone, listen up for a second. The gate doesn't close unless we defeat the dungeon's boss. Seeing as how the gate's still up, it looks like there must be a boss inside of that dungeon. Usually, we have to report this to the association first and wait for them to make a decision, but other hunters might get their hands on the boss before us, which means that our profits will drastically decrease. So I say we go ahead and deal with the boss ourselves. It could be dangerous, so how about it? All 17 of us here vote on it. And when the decision has been made, you won't be allowed to say otherwise. I mean, let's go in. I vote for go in. I'm against it. Let's go. I'm sorry, I don't want to go. We have 8 votes to go and 8 votes to stay. How about you, Sang? Everything dependent on Sang Jinwo's decision. I have no savings and I have to send my little sister to college soon. Also, my mother is bedridden in the hospital. This is for my life. I am going to. I must have courage just this once.